Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore consent UI behavior in Cookiebot step by step clearly. To restore consent UI behavior in Cookiebot, start by logging into your Cookiebot account. Navigate to the Settings section on the main dashboard. In the Settings menu, find the option labeled Consent Declaration. Click on Consent Declaration to access the configuration settings. Next, locate the UI Behavior tab within this section. Select the UI Behavior tab to explore the available options. Here, you will see various settings pertaining to how the consent banner operates. To restore the default behavior, look for the Restore to Default button. Click the Restore to Default button to revert any changes made previously. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you are sure about this action. Confirm your choice to proceed with restoring the settings. After confirming, the UI behavior will revert to the initial configuration. Once restored, review the settings to ensure they meet your requirements. To finalize, click Save Changes at the bottom of the page. Now, navigate to your website to verify how the consent banner appears. Test the consent banner interaction to ensure it functions as expected. If all looks good, you have successfully restored the consent UI behavior in Cookiebot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.